So Best Buy has a problem with selling the OnePlus Open. And this is not just coming from their website and the reviews. It's also coming from a personal experience with Best Buy where not me, but one of my friends picked up the OnePlus Open from BestBuy.com and very, very much regrets the decision. So let's talk about it. Starting off right away, yes, Best Buy recently posted the OnePlus Open for you to be able to buy on their website. Now, right now, I think they have a deal going on. I say I think, because it's only for, I believe, yeah, so it's only for if you activate it today. It's not if you activate it in the future. The reason why I say I think is I don't think this is actually going on at the store. It's an online offer that you can get. I think it's like, you know, whatever. With it being now officially posted on the website, I think you have to do this online and not at the store. That's why I say I think. I asked the Best Buy rep. They didn't really give me any information about it. So I have no idea other than the fact, again, it says right here, activate today, $13.99. Activate later, $16.99. So if you get it today with the contract, you can actually get it as soon as the next day, but you cannot pick it up in the store. You have to get it delivered to you. And yes, it will be, you know, through the process here of being able to buy the phone. Now, here's the problem, right? Here's the issue with this whole service / situation. You can get it from Best Buy, but returning it to Best Buy is almost impossible, right? Here's the problem. This device is in very limited stock with BestBuy.com. It's not in limited stock with other, you know, sites, other places like OnePlus.com. You know, the place you probably should buy from, if we're being honest. The reason why you gotta buy from OnePlus.com, if you don't know, is if you don't buy from OnePlus directly, any third-party website, that's including Best Buy, which is a huge retailer, is considered a third party. Even Amazon, a third party, it voids the warranty instantly. So even though Best Buy, who is a huge seller of electronics, devices, phones, whatever, if you buy it through Best Buy, you void the warranty automatically. It would be the equivalent of opening up the device yourself and voiding the warranty. So, as it says from these one-star reviews, and I can attest to this because of, you know, again, personal experience with one of my friends, having a hardware issue. Best Buy can't replace it because of availability and won't refund full trade-in value and cost. OnePlus won't replace it because I bought it with a third party. It's messed up. It's messed up that no one is going to fix the issue because I bought it here. Honestly, wouldn't. I think they meant wouldn't. They said would. They said don't buy, so I'm going to guess they mean wouldn't. Recommend buying this from Best Buy. Got ours and it has hardware issues. Can't get an exchange because the phone is unavailable now. Can't get full money back because they can't give us trade-in money back along with what we paid for the phone. OnePlus has a rule. If you buy a third party, your manufacturer warranty is invalid. Basically, fluffed us all around. And yes, again, like I said, Best Buy only actually offers the 512GB model. Shout out to that fact. But if you trade in a phone, you're not going to get a full refund. If you trade in a phone, you can't get that money back. And the reason why is because, again, availability, number one. Number two, OnePlus is like, we don't want to deal with this. Number three, now this becomes a used open box phone. And if you go on Best Buy's website right here, they do actually have this, an open box right here. Open box item, $16.99. I can get it tomorrow, it says, or I can get this in 9 days. The open box, excellent condition. And then there's one in good condition. So there's one in good condition and one excellent condition. It says the one in good condition is nowhere near me, so I can't do that one. But for the excellent condition, I can actually get it delivered to me here within, what, a couple days? Around, like, 9 days. So, my guess is those are the people who returned it, you know, without the trade-in, or just accepted the fact, hey, listen, I'm going to trade this phone in. Crap, now that, obviously, I got, this phone isn't working, this phone isn't what I want, then I have to get my money back. Well, you can't, because you can't get the money back you traded in. So, it's a mess, man. It's really a mess. And by the way, you can trade in devices without having to go through, what's called a phone carrier. So, for example, this phone is unlocked. It's globally unlocked. So, if we go down here, even though it's globally unlocked, you can obviously activate it with a service. Or you can trade in a phone or device to get it for cheaper. So, it says save when you trade in similar devices. And they actually have a whole entire list here. Now, this is not through a carrier. You can trade it in through a carrier, but this is trading in through, like, an actual phone to Best Buy. You can trade in pretty much anything to Best Buy to get something cheaper. It's just how their process works. So, for example, I have an iPhone 13. If I wanted to, trade in an iPhone 13, it has to be like a phone for phone, MacBook for MacBook, laptop for laptop kind of scenario. It can't be like, can't trade in a phone for a laptop. Alright, so I have a green iPhone. Actually, mine is technically globally unlocked, so let's actually kind of just get away from this. And let's go there. Okay, so now if I select this, I want to go to the unlocked version. Do they actually have the unlocked version, or is this just gonna kind of make me go with a service? Okay, so you can't sell them an unlocked version. It has to be connected to a service? Okay, great. Thank you, Best Buy. I don't know why you kind of make it happen. But anyway, so does it have any screen damage cracks? No. I actually bought it. Ironically enough, this iPhone I bought is actually from them. Refurbished from them. Good. You guys literally did it. I can trade in for a new device, $260. Trade in for e-gift cards. Trade in without a purchase. So again, yeah, you can literally trade in your own devices and get money back. Which, again, I mean, you get an e-gift card that you have to spend there. Or you can trade in for a new device. So, theoretically speaking, if I trade in my iPhone right now, I'd pretty much get it for the exact same price of $13.99. Now, if I bought this phone, right, even though I'm trading in my iPhone to this company, giving my iPhone to this company, right, they have the iPhone, they have the money, whatever. If I were to say, you know what, I don't want this phone anymore. Can I return this phone? Right? Return the OnePlus. Even though, technically speaking, right, I understand I wouldn't get my iPhone back because, they could have sold that or did whatever or refurbished it, sent somewhere. I should still get that money for the iPhone plus the, device I paid. I paid $13.99. Plus, again, the $250 iPhone. They won't give you back that original money, the first part. They wouldn't give you back the $13.99 for what you paid, but the trade-in, that becomes null and void. Also, keep in mind that Best Buy has a 15% restocking fee when you turn electronics that were brand new. So if something's brand new and now it's not brand new anymore, phones and cameras have a 15% restocking fee. Not every single product, just phones and cameras, 15% restocking fee. So, just don't buy it from BestBuy.com. That's like the best way I could put this in this whole entire video summed up. Just don't do it. It's just not worth it. It's not worth the hassle. It's not worth the time. OnePlus already is going to void your warranty. So if the inside display breaks in any way possible, you're going to have problems and issues. Now, going down this list here, this is actually like the best comment I saw. This is the best foldable phone to date. Fit and finish to top notch. Dynamic wallpaper is super cool when the phone is being folded open. I'm a long-time iPhone user. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Charging the phone is lightning quick. It's like charging a Tesla at a supercharging station. Wow. Again, listen. And this actually, the pictures won't load, but this is... You have a $1,500 iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you just bought an $1,800 OnePlus Open. When I see these positive reviews of this phone on this website, that's usually where we get it from. But again, like I said, do not buy from BestBuy.com. I buy all my phones from BestBuy.com. I do love their website. I love their service. Love going to the service. But this is why I would never have bought the Google Pixel Fold from BestBuy.com. There's just no reason to. You're risking way too much by buying it from BestBuy.com. you're gonna buy it from OnePlus, so you get the warranty. Or if you don't care about the warranty and you're like, risking it for the biscuit here, boys, maybe eBay, secondhand websites for a discount. Because if you're gonna get it for if you're gonna literally lose your warranty, might as well get it for a discount. That's what I will say. Thank you guys for watching, though. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.